everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shipra and in today's video I'm going to show you guys everything that I bought in the last 1.5 months. Now मैंने किसी भी particular website से स्पेशली शॉपिंग नहीं किया है. आई बॉट अ कपल ऑफ थिंग्स फ्रॉम ज़ारा, कुछ मैंने H&M से लिया था. देन आई ऑल्सो बॉट अ फ्यू थिंग्स फ्रॉम Amazon and Nykaa. So I thought why not let's just sit down and show you guys everything that I bought. Now this haul will include items in the fashion category, in beauty category, skin care से भी related कुछ चीज़ें मैंने ली हैं. And then I also bought a few things from in the home decor या फिर organization category. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, I'm gonna start off with the fashion category because obviously now the first thing I want to show you guys is this leather overshirt. Now obviously ये real leather नहीं है, this is faux leather. इसके अंदर यहाँ पे mainly वो टिक वाले buttons आते हैं and then यहाँ पे दो pockets हैं and again there are two more pockets on either sides over here. इसके अंदर की lining is I think for suede. I am not pretty sure about it, but this is very soft material. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि इसको पहनेंगे तो अंदर से चिपकेगा या something like that. It seems like a very comfortable material and पीछे से it's pretty plain, मतलब basic shirt जैसे है. This I got from Zara Men's because ये मैंने भाई के लिए ली थी and this is a size large क्योंकि उसको जो size large आता है मुझे हल्का सा oversize fit आता है, which I think is perfect because I like oversize fit. Now the original price of this particular overshirt on Zara app is 4590 but we got it for 2490. ये अभी out of stock है but I am going to link it in the description box down below in case you're interested and ये जब भी in stock होता है so you guys can get it for yourself. The second thing that I got from Zara are these pair of trousers. Now these are faux leather trousers. I am clearly obsessed with faux leather this season. This is what it looks like. This is chocolate brown color का trousers and this is like super high waisted. मतलब ये almost मेरी बस से हल्का सा नीचे आता है which is like a pretty good height. Now if you see इसका seam यहाँ से चालू like इसका जो length है of the high waist वो यहाँ से चालू होके यहाँ तक आता है which is pretty high. Now these trousers also have a slit on the bottom which is super cool. मतलब एकदम 90s vibe आता है. I'm really sorry about the dogs barking but कुछ नहीं कर सकते. इसमें जो है नीचे बॉटम में यहाँ पे स्लिट भी आता है एंड अगेन अंदर जो मटेरियल है इज द सेम दैट वाज देयर इन द ओवरशर्ट व्हिच इज आई गेस again it's for suede. I'm not pretty sure but I've worn it and super comfortable on the skin. ये trousers मैंने December end में ली थी and उस टाइम पे कोई भी सेल नहीं चल रही थी. I paid the original price for it which was 2990 and the size that I have is a medium. I'm not gonna do a try on part for this because अभी मैं बहुत ज़्यादा bloated हूँ because I'm down and this is not fitting me right now. So I'm gonna do a try on of this on my Instagram, so in case you're interested you can follow me there. I will be posting a video styling this very soon. Okay, Zara से I had those two things that I bought. Now moving on to H&M. H&M से भी मैंने दो चीज़ें ली है. One is a pair of boots and the other one is a sweater vest. So the sweater vest that I got is this cropped yellow sweater vest which has these white checks all over. ये pattern actually बहुत ज़्यादा trend में इस time पे. This is actually a 90s trend again. Now this is cropped and if you look at any good fashion creator on Instagram you will see them wearing something like this. चाहे long में हो चाहे cropped हो जैसा भी, but this is very much in trend and I want to get something like this. Now ये particular vest is available I think in 3 colors which also includes black and white but मैंने बहुत मुश्किल से खुद को बना के black and white ना लेके yellow लिया है because I seriously want to incorporate a lot more colors in my wardrobe and I think this kind of suffices the purpose. Now ये particular sweater vest is in the size medium and I paid 1499 for it but right now it's on sale and you can get it for 1299. The second thing that I got from H&M are boots and let's just take a moment because these are knee length boots and I've been wanting to have knee length boots from ages at this point. Like last year भी मेरा बहुत मन था कि मैं लूँ. Actually Shein से मेरे पास एक like pair है knee length, like those are like thigh high boots but वो wrong size आ गया था and soon after Shein got banned तो मैं return भी नहीं कर पाई थी and these are my size and they fit so beautifully. मैंने जो last shot भी डाला था उसके अंदर मैंने इनको style किया है so I'm gonna link it on the iCard above and also in the description box but this is what they look like. These are very expensive, I'm not gonna lie. I paid almost 4500 या 5000 for this and these are beige colored. नीचे block heel है यहाँ पे and these are very comfortable. I can just keep on talking about them but yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna put a try on of course so you can see it better but yeah, I love them. Okay, let's talk about the size. The size of this particular pair of boots is 40. I actually fit in 39, but 39 मुझे usually H&M का हल्का सा tight होता है, and since boots के नीचे मैं socks prefer करती हूँ पहनना, so I opted for 40 and they fit perfectly. For the price point, of course, it's a little bit expensive, but मैं इसका पूरा use अच्छे से निकाल लूँगी, so I'm just happy about it. The next thing that I have is again a pair of shoes, and the shoes that I have are these. Now, if you know me, you know that I'm either wearing boots all the time या फिर मैं white shoes में घूम रही होती हूँ. And मेरे जो पुराने वाले white shoes थे वो like legit मुझे छोटे हो गए थे. I am 25 years old. I don't know कैसे मेरे shoes मुझे छोटे हो सकते हैं. And I did talk about it in one of my vlogs. I'm going to link the vlog right here if in case you've not watched it. But these are the shoes that I bought. I really like how they look. Like now this is what the shoe looks like. इसके अंदर chunky sole है, which is what I like in my shoes. And then यहाँ पे PU का काम हो रखा है, बीच में कपड़े का भी काम है, which looks really cool क्योंकि थोड़ा texture and you know थोड़ा character add हो जाता है shoes में. And the laces are again plain white. The size that I got is a size 7. मुझे usually 6.5 which is 39 fits, but मैंने just for you know कि मेरा पैर और ना बढ़ जाए इसीलिए मैंने size 7 लिया है, so that socks पहनने के बाद it just fits me perfectly, which it does. Now मैंने ये particular pair of shoes लिया था on sale. I got from Nykaa actually. मैं link कर दूँगी description box में of course. इसका price, original price on Nykaa was 4,500 rupees, like 4,499. But I got for 2,399 rupees. Now I know some of you guys may say that these are expensive, but the fact is कि मैं almost हमेशा white shoes ही पहनती हूँ अगर मुझे पास का थोड़ा काम होता है. I prefer wearing white shoes only because they just go with everything. So I did not want कि मैं अभी कुछ 300-400 रुपये का ले लूँ और उसके बाद 2-3 महीने बाद मुझे फिर से दोबारा से लेने पड़े. That is why I invested in something which is good quality, and इनकी क्वालिटी अच्छी है, एटलीस्ट मुझे 1-1.5 साल तक चल जाएंगे आराम से. Alright, moving on to some accessories, and the first thing I want to show you guys is this particular pair of jhumkas या फिर dangling earrings या कुछ भी तुम कह लो. I'm not sure what you call it, but this is what it looks like. ये बहुत बड़े हैं, like this is like इतने बड़े earrings, and this has this white color का motifs all over. इसमें जो work हुआ हुआ है and the color combination is really pretty. The thing that I like the most about this pair is कि यहाँ पे जो ये मोर बना हुआ है, it just looks so freaking cute. I just can't even explain. मैंने earrings actually इसलिए लिए थे क्योंकि मुझे ये मोर जो था ये बहुत ही प्यारा लग रहा था, and ये earrings I think 3 कलर्स में अवेलेबल थे. वन वॉज प्लेन सिल्वर जिसके अंदर ये भी पूरा सिल्वर का था, एंड देन वन वॉज दिस विच इज़ सो क्यूट. इसमें वाइट और पिंक का कॉम्बिनेशन है, एंड द लास्ट वन आई थिंक वॉज ब्लैक या फिर ब्लू, ऐसा कुछ कॉम्बिनेशन था. बट दिस वन जस्ट कॉट माई आई बिकॉज मेरे पास ऐसा कुछ है भी नहीं जो वाइट एंड सिल्वर ज्वेलरी का कॉम्बिनेशन हो. सो आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग कि मुझे कोई अच्छे से फंक्शन में जाने का मौका मिले एंड ये पहन पाऊँ मैं. आई फॉरगॉट टू टेल यू वेयर आई गॉट फ्रॉम. नाउ कमला नगर में बहुत सारे ऐसे पटरी वाले बैठे होते हैं या फिर स्टॉल्स लगे होते हैं रोड साइड पे जहाँ पे लोग सिल्वर ज्वेलरी बेच रहे होते हैं. नाउ जहाँ पे कमला नगर का मैकडॉनल्ड्स है उससे थोड़ा सा आगे जाके लाइक द एंटायर जो फुटपाथ है बिल्कुल बंगले रोड के कट तक, वहाँ पे बहुत सारे सिल्वर ज्वेलरी वाले बैठे होते हैं एंड उनके पास ऑलमोस्ट सबके पास ये डिज़ाइन था. सो यू कैन चेक इट आउट फ्रॉम देयर. लव दिस स्कर्ट फॉर 100 या 150. love it. Now you guys know कितना ज़्यादा Y2K throwback इस टाइम पे चल रहा है, and I love the trend majorly because of the accessories. You guys know how much I'm obsessed with hoops and also with beaded jewelry. Now मेरे पास 2-3 necklaces है beaded jewelry में, and the latest one that I got is this strawberry and pearls wala necklace. It's so freaking cute. I mean, just look at it. And this was very affordable. I think I got it for like 349 rupees, and uske upar se maine shipping pay kiya tha I guess 100, which is like fine, maximum 500 rupees I got for 500, and this is handmade and everything. I'm gonna write like the shop ka naam somewhere on the screen here or here, but this is what it looks like. I love it, and I've worn it so many times. I did speak about it on my Instagram also. You definitely need to check out this particular brand because इनके पास बहुत सारे ऐसे designs हैं which are super unique. These strawberries are like so damn cute. I mean, just look at it. Okay, this is everything that I had in the fashion category. Moving on to personal care and like beauty, makeup, skincare and all of that. The first thing I want to show you guys is this sunscreen. Now this is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Block Sunscreen. It is SPF 50+. It is a broad spectrum sunscreen which is UVA, UVB and PA+++. Now the packaging says that it's ultra light and clean feel, and I totally agree, क्योंकि इससे पहले वाली जो मेरी सनस्क्रीन थी ना, that was really nice but it was super heavy on the skin. Like मेरे को स्वेटिंग होती थी उसको लगाने के बाद, एंड लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा ऑयली फील आता था, एंड हल्का सा उसमें वाइट कास्ट भी था. बट दिस वन लाइक this has changed the game for me. इसमें ना तो white cast आता है. This gives my skin a little bit of dewy effect, but at the same time it's not heavy on the skin. It does not generate any oil or sweat, which is amazing. मतलब ये मैंने आज भी लगाया है. This is something that I use like almost every single day nowadays because वो वाली मैंने छोड़ दी है. Not happening. This is revolutionary for me. मतलब it's just changed the entire game. मेकअप बहुत अच्छे से बैठता है, स्किन केयर करो तो उसके ऊपर भी it looks very nice. मतलब बहुत dewy सा effect आता है, which is I am all for dewy effect. So yeah, this is what I got and I definitely love it. ये almost खत्म होने वाली है actually. I'm gonna get a new one. Okay, moving on to the next beauty related item that I have, which is Arctay's Beetroot Lip and Cheek Tint. Now this is what the product looks like and अंदर से ये कुछ ऐसा लगता है. Now अगर मुझसे कोई कभी पूछे ना कि which is that one beauty item that you cannot live without, now I know 99.9% of the people will say it's mascara for them because obviously mascara से आपकी आंखें खुली खुली लगती हैं. आप it looks like मतलब आप you just look nice in mascara. I agree, but I am so freaking pale. Like I'm so pale that for me it's blush. कि अगर मैं blush ना लगाऊं, if I'm without the blush and everything, I look sick. That's literally how pale I am. So this is something I really love. And इसकी जो fragrance है, oh my god. अगर बचपन में तुमने बूमर, आई होप तुमने बचपन में बूमर खाई हो, तो इसकी फ्रेग्रेंस लिटरली उस बूमर के जैसे लगती है. इट्स लाइक अ वेरी बबल गम काइंड ऑफ अ फ्रेग्रेंस एंड आई love it. I just love it. This is something जो मैंने आज भी अपने cheeks पे लगा हुआ है. Like this looks very natural. इतना over नहीं लगता है and just gives like a very dewy, natural kind of a finish, which I love. I've like almost shifted to this like cream blushes in general, but this one is my absolute favorite. मेरे पास एक और है which is I think that one is from Daughter Earth, but that one is not this nourishing या फिर moisturizing. This is like very like I'm just gonna swatch it for you. Wait. ये मैंने इतना सा लिया है, ठीक है, एंड ये मेरे पूरे हाथ को कवर कर देगा एंड जस्ट हैज़ लाइक अ वेरी हेल्दी ग्लो टू इट विच लुक्स वेरी नाइस. बट जो डॉटर अर्थ वाला है दैट इज़ अ लिटिल बिट एटलीस्ट ड्राई फॉर माई स्किन. मुझे थोड़ा सा लगता है कि वो मेरी स्किन पे थोड़ा सा ड्राई है, बट दिस इज़ व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक. लव इट. दिस इज़ समथिंग यू डेफिनेटली नीड टू ट्राई बिकॉज इतना ज़्यादा नेचुरल ग्लो आता है ना, मतलब लव इट. Next up I have another beauty item and that is a brow gel. Now if you have watched this vlog right here, you know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the e.l.f. Wow Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. I have it in deep brown color and ये actually new वाला है, मेरा पुराना वाला ये है. इसकी पैकेजिंग, ब्रांडिंग, सब चीज़ें हट चुकी है ऑलमोस्ट बिकॉज दैट इज़ हाउ मच आई हैव यूज्ड. ये ऑलमोस्ट खत्म ही होने वाला है एक्चुअली. नाउ इफ यू गाइस हैव बीन वाचिंग मी फॉर एटलीस्ट अ ईयर, यू नो दैट आई गॉट माई लेफ्ट आईब्राउ माइक्रोब्लेड. लाइक राइट भी कराई थी बट लेफ्ट में ज़्यादा फोकस था बिकॉज आई डू नॉट हैव हेयर ऑन माई लेफ्ट आईब्राउ एट ऑल. एंड इनिशियली जब मैंने कराई थी मुझे ब्राउ प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ती थी. लाइक आई वॉज दैट सॉर्टेड, बट इवेंचुअली इट स्टार्टेड fading away and everything. And this is the product that I've been using for the past 6-7 months at least. This is what it looks like. इसके अंदर की जो wand है is like the best thing ever. ये जो wand है इसके अंदर, now you guys can see कि इसकी जो wand है इसके ऊपर बहुत fine hair attached है. That means कि product के अंदर there are a lot of fine hair. So when you put it on your brows, it just looks like a very natural finish. ऐसा लगता नहीं है कुछ ज़्यादा लगाया हुआ है, which is what I like. I know Benefit also has like a very nice eyebrow gel and everything, but it's very expensive and ये बहुत ज़्यादा cheap था comparatively, and this just works for me, so I really like it. This is basically a 3.5 grams pack and it retails for 490, but e.l.f. पे usually sale वगैरह होती है तो you can get it for cheaper, but मैंने ये 490 का ही लिया था. The next personal care item that I have is a skincare item and that is basically a face wash. The one that I have is the Body Shop Vitamin E Gentle Face Wash and this is what it looks like. Now this is something जो मैंने बहुत ही recently लिया है, like it's just I think 4-5 दिन पहले मैंने लिया था नायका से, मतलब डिलीवर हुआ था 4-5 दिन पहले, बट आई हैव नॉट ट्राइड इट येट बिकॉज अभी मेरा सिंपल वाला चल रहा है, उसके अंदर बहुत सारा बचा हुआ है. सो वंस दैट इज ओवर, दिस इज व्हाट आई एम गोना यूज एंड आई विल पुट आउट अ रिव्यू फॉर दिस वन ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरीज. तो तुमको जानना है तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. दिस इज माई हैंडल. आई होप टू सी यू गाइज ओवर देयर. Now this is a 125 ml pack and it retails for 695 rupees. I'm just very excited to use it because मैंने बॉडी शॉप का आज तक एक्चुअली ज़्यादा चीज़ें नहीं ली हैं. दिस इज़ लाइक द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई बॉट. इसके साथ मेरे को 2-3 चीज़ें और मैंने विश लिस्ट में डाली हैं, तो आई विल बाय देम very soon, but yeah, very excited to try this one out. Okay, I'm so sorry. I have one more personal care item with me, which are these gloves. ये gloves मैंने लिए थे Amazon से. I think I paid 245 rupees for these. Now, if you guys have watched this vlog right here, which was a day in my life, then you know that I've been working out. And मैंने workout करना start कर दिया था I think 1 महीने पहले. अभी 1 हफ्ते से नहीं कर रही हूँ because मैं down हूँ, तो मेरे में नहीं है इतनी हिम्मत and everything. But I've been working out and I'm lifting weights and everything. So जब तक light weight होता है it's fine, but जब मैं deadlift करती हूँ, like heavy deadlifts में जब मैं heavy deadlifts करती हूँ, I prefer wearing gloves because यहाँ पे otherwise marks वगैरह पड़ जाते हैं and I just don't like it क्योंकि it just hurts also. So deadlifts specially उस चीज़ के लिए मैंने ये gloves मंगाए हैं. The quality is really nice. अभी तक यूज़ नहीं कर पाई हूँ because ये 3 दिन पहले ही deliver हुए थे, but I'm just hoping that I'll be using them very soon because I feel much better. And कल या परसों से I'm gonna start working out again, so I'm gonna be using them then. Okay, I'm done with the fashion items and the beauty and personal care items now. Moving on to home related items, and the first thing is obviously a candle, which is this salted ocean air candle from Bath and Body Works. The smell of this one is divine. Like, it smells like a luxurious bath at a beachy place. Like, it's not a winter scent, but I've still used it so much because I just love the fragrance of this one. ये मैंने खुद से नहीं ली है, ये मेरे को जीजू ने गिफ्ट करी थी. We actually met December end में for a wedding and everything, and he gifted this to me for my birthday. Birthday मेरा September में था, but finally he gifted this to me and I am in love. It's like I just cannot stop smelling it. Like, it's so nice. And I'm gonna be honest, this is not a scent which is for everybody because ये थोड़ी सी strong है, yes, and it also has coconut, and coconut undertone सबको पसंद नहीं आती है. So in case you're thinking of, you know, buying this one, please sniff it at the store first and then consider buying because this is not everybody's taste. Okay, so the next thing that I have is something जो मैं तुम्हें practically frame में नहीं दिखा सकती because it's huge, because it's an almirah. So I got this particular almirah right here from Amazon. It's called the CBSO metal foldable 7-layer shoe cabinet. The size is 32 into 53 into 138 centimeters. Like मेरी height से like यहाँ तक आता है, like shoulder length तक it comes, and that is the height of it. इसके side में 2 pockets भी हैं, like just to keep like hankies and socks and stuff like that. However, I'm not sure of the quality because अभी तक हम लोगों ने सामान fit नहीं किया है इस wardrobe के अंदर because we did not get the time. But by the time this video goes live, सामान वगैरह मैं सेट वगैरह करके अपना रिव्यू डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में नीचे मेंशन कर दूंगी. Okay, so the original price of this particular almirah was 2600 rupees, but I paid 1098, like essentially 1100 rupees, and I think it's a little bit expensive, but yeah, we'll see once we have it in place and everything. Okay, so the next thing that I have is this table right here. It's basically a table that you keep on your bed to work and stuff. Now you guys know I have a table in my room right here, but इसको मैं use नहीं कर पा रही हूँ because इस time बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडा है, मुझसे टेबल पे बैठ के काम नहीं हो रहा है. So I just prefer working in my कंबल, and that is why I got this particular table, like a foldable table for the bed, because मेरे को मतलब बेड पे काम कर करके नेक में इशू होने लग गया था, एंड इवन माई बैक यूज टू बी वेरी यू नो स्टिफ ऑल द टाइम. सो आई गॉट दिस टेबल सो दैट आई कैन, you know, my posture is better and I can work better. This is what it looks like. It has this cup holder right here and even this thing right here जिसके अंदर मैं अपना फ़ोन वगैरह रख सकती हूँ, and I can just keep it and even charge it because यहाँ पे ये holes है, तो wire can come from here and easily सब कुछ इसमें fit हो जाता है. So I've been using it for I think for like 2 weeks at this point, and I really like, I'm obsessed with this thing. I cannot work on my bed without it now because it's so convenient and so comfortable to work on, and just posture वगैरह ठीक रहता है. There's no pain in the neck and everything, so it's a big yay from my side. So the price of this table was 599 rupees, but I think it was on sale by when I bought it, and I've paid 530 for it. Alrighty guys, that was it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this haul. It was a lot of things combined because मैंने किसी particular जगह से shopping नहीं की थी and I bought these धीरे धीरे करके like in a span of 1.5 to 2 months मैंने ये चीज़ें खरीदी थी and I thought that these are like some fashion related items which are really trendy and then accessories and skincare जो कि is like working out for me and then home related items which I love. So I thought this might be like an interesting video for you to watch. In case you like this video, definitely give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram, follow Zoe on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you guys very soon.